Hi, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a zip file in Windows 10 operating system, but keep in mind guys that this will also work in Windows 10, Windows 8 and in Windows 7. So let me go and create a new file. Then let's say guys, this is your file that you wanna zip. So you need to right click here, then say send to, then compressed zip folder. Then as you might see guys, this is a zip folder. This now is a zip folder. Let's open it and see inside. See, we have new text document here. And if also you wanna create a zip file of a folder, you can create a folder, then also send to compressed zip folder. Okay, it says the specified directory blah 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 is empty, so we cannot. So let me insert something here, then send to compressed zip folder. As you might see guys, we now have created a zip file containing a folder. Inside the folder there's a file. So this was it. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.